Hey guys, I'm Muskan and I'm back with yet another podcast on the judgmental nature of Gen Z. So let's begin. So, as Gen Zers, we always find ourselves judging someone. It may be some random stranger on the subway or someone we know. Like, we are always judging, be it on the basis of the colors they wear or the slangs they use or XYZ, whatever. We are always judging someone. And I just want to ask, who are we to judge someone? I mean, I have judged so many people on regular basis, but now as I'm growing every day, I've realized there is no point, like not a point. I mean, why should we judge? I mean, I have understood this, that if we are judging someone, it only highlights our insecurities. Like if we say that, oh look, she's doing so well on her Instagram or her online business or XYZ, and we pass a comment that yeah, she's doing good, but this could have been better, or what the hell is she doing, or whatever. We are just highlighting our own insecurities, our own things which we have not done in our life. So if you see yourself judging someone else, then the moment you recognize that you are judging, take a peek in yourself, that why are you doing so, and what makes your nature to judge the other person about that. And if you start being self aware about these little things, they will really change you as a person. Someone who is doing more than you will never judge you. Someone who is doing less will only judge you. It may be because of jealousy or because of insecurities or whatever. So if someone judges you, then you are doing more than them. Don't worry. Don't take their comments to heart. And if someone is really doing well, they won't judge you because they understand what it is to grow, what it is to be in that position. What I feel is that we should always be kind to someone. I know everyone says it, everyone posts it as stories, everyone shows it externally, but who doesn't internally? Like, who actually is kind and who actually thinks before speaking that can my words hurt someone? And in this generation of technology, the generation which is surrounded with information and everything is going, to an extreme, we don't know what's going on in other person's life. So the least we can do is be kind, be it on social media or be it face to face or anything. As we grow older in life, we realize that every person seeks happiness in different ways, and we should let them seek happiness in different ways. We are Everyone is born different, no one is same. Someone likes to go out on a Saturday night, and someone likes to chill in bed and watch a movie. And whatever makes anyone happy, we should let them do it. And we are no one to judge them about anything. So just let people enjoy their lives, live your life, and let people enjoy their lives, because we don't know what tomorrow brings, and life is very unpredictable. Why should we be the reason that someone is upset or someone is questioning their life? So just stop judging and let live people the way they want to. And yeah, that's all, and thank you for listening, and have a nice day and take care. Bye.